In this video, I will tell you that how to fix GIF feature on Instagram. So if you are not being able to send GIFs in Instagram messages, then how you can actually fix this? So the first fix is to actually update your Instagram app. Okay, if you have to go to the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram there and see that if you have the latest version or not. Then you will tap on home page, then you will tap on this messages here, then you will tap on the chat here, and then you will tap on the plus icon at the bottom right side of the screen here, and then you will tap on stickers here. And from here you can see that we have this GIF option, but if you don't have this GIF option here, you need to update your app. And if this still doesn't fix this, then you have to switch from your personal account to a professional account. Okay, and if this still doesn't fix this, then you need to actually tap on these three lines, tap on settings, tap on help, tap on report problem without shaking, don't include. Then you need to actually tell Instagram that you are missing this feature, and they will actually get back to you in 1 to 3 days, and they will actually fix it for you. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.